This is the final look. Another Halloween moment, oh my god. And I was feeling like I wanted to do some pop art today, so that's what we're gonna do, and I'm excited to see what it's gonna do. We'll jump right into it with the primer, and I want something that will grip, so let's go back to our trusty little Milk Makeup Hydrogrip primer as always, and I'm just gonna let it sink in right there because I really have to think about what I'm gonna do because I literally never did any pop art makeup before. So definitely a new thing for Halloween. If you liked my other Halloween makeup or if you have any suggestions, make sure to drop it down below. And consider subscribing if you want to see more of these makeup looks. And if you didn't see it already, it's gonna be up here and down below. And for the base, the foundation, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define just because it is really full coverage. And it's just gonna make my skin very like nothing, and that's what I want literally every single imperfection to be away. Halloween doesn't have to be expensive, you know, you don't have to buy like 20 million things. Like I don't have Halloween makeup, I just have regular makeup, and we're gonna do all of my makeup Halloween thingies with regular makeup, so bear with me. Oh my god, I look so pale right now. Oh no. So I'm gonna add maybe a little bit of life for me with this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I want to be a little bit more pop art, so I'm just gonna apply it like everywhere. Thick, 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 thick. Another one. Wow, my under eyes really don't like any of that thickness anywhere. Please, if I ever want to go out like this, just stop me, okay? Because this is not right. This is not right. To fix this thing, we will put some powder. Very important to set everything before you put anything else. So we're gonna go into the Laura Mercier setting powder, and you know, I like to do this before and then it's ready for you there. The goal here that we're trying to do is that you don't want any dimension whatsoever on your face. So you try to cover everything as much as possible with full coverage, queen, like you say, okay? And that is one thing that is important. If you want to do pop art, you have to cover whatever shape you have. And I look pretty flat. You know what I mean? Like my face looks so flat right now. Right, so everything is mattified, everything looks really nice. And now I was thinking, usually I do my face first, but I want to do my eyes first and then the rest of the face. Just because I feel like the eyes is a little bit easier than the rest. So we're gonna go like for the easier one for now. So I have my James Charles palette right here, and I was gonna go for one color in particular, which is these burnt oranges at the top. So here and I feel like it's gonna be super nice. We'll see what it's gonna do. For this one, you take a packer brush and then you pack the color all over the lid. Again, you don't want any dimension, you want the color to be all around, all equally. So you work on packing the shade as much as you can everywhere. Since I have hooded eyes, what I want to do is I want to apply most of the eyeshadow with my eyes open, so I can see, you know, the outline when I open my eye. You know, I want to be able to open my eyes and to see the whole makeup look. Before we outline the black line, I want to go into that NYX white eyeliner, and I'm going to be placing it right under the eye to make my eye look bigger. I'm going to go with this, and I'm just going under my lashes, and I'm just placing it right under. Just like that. You can't really see it. And then you go right in as well. This is some thick white eyeliner. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, girl. We will outline the orange, the white, everything. And I'm going to be using the one size liquid eyeliner just because it is super precise and it's going to work good. I'm going to go do this, do a little wing in the inner corner of the eye, a wing on the outer corner of the eye, and some false lashes at the bottom as well. I'm gonna take the MAC eyeliner and I'm gonna do some dots all around there, just because this is more of like a, you know, tiny applicator, and I feel like it's gonna work way better. This little pop art moment, let it dry, do the other eye, and then we'll pass to the next step. Okay, y'all, so what happened is I added some lashes, you know, at the bottom, and it turned into a pop art anime, okay? I don't know what happened, but I feel like it's different. I kind of messed up over there, but we're gonna live with it. I feel like what we have to do to stay pop art is really to do some dots with colors on the cheeks and everything. So we're gonna do the face. It's gonna be super nice. Yes, let's do the eyebrows. I was thinking of just taking a regular little black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be feathering this into my brows to add this little black color. Yes. And by being careful also, you know, like I don't want this to be, yes, I want this to be overboard, okay? This is the worst eyebrow, so if I'm able to do this one, I'm gonna be able to do the other one too. Let's go with the Rare Beauty one. Since I don't really like it for the eyes, maybe I'll like it for the eyebrows. Do not mess up, because if you do, it's gonna be pretty bad. It's gonna be pretty bad. Whew. The eyebrows kind of went a little wrong, a little tiny wrong, especially on this one. My hair was just doing its own thing, and then I kind of went overboard with it, but it's okay. We'll have some thick bushy eyebrows for this. So now we're gonna go to the rest of the face, which maybe gonna be a nightmare. We will see. We will start contouring the face. I'm gonna go with this little yellow-ish eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, but I'm gonna be using it for the rest of my face to contour and to make sure that everything is good. So I'm gonna go with contouring everything except for the lips, because that I want to do this after when I'm finished with the lipstick, you know. So shoot, one size, come save me. This is more precise than the Rare Beauty one, so I'm just gonna, for the nose is gonna be very important. Stop shaking. Okay, the most difficult part is that is so weird. Oh my god. Okay, the nose. You know what's annoying? The shape of my nose is so annoying, so sharp that it's hard to do a round thingy. The line is made, is just not thick enough. It's not thick enough, so we have to work on it. Oh my god, it's done. Yes. Okay. I know you didn't see that anywhere, but it's done, girls and ladies and gents. This is more for the precise kind of like application. And then the other time we will take the Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna go back and forth between some of the eyeliners because they're drying out. So, and then what we have to do is just around the face. Huda Beauty, come to the rescue. So it's gonna come to the rescue, and we're gonna do it a little bit different than other people. All right, so just like that. And now we need to add some blush, you know, like the dots and everything, just to make everything look super nice. Ooh. So I'm gonna put some red as blush, because why not? Some brown for the contour. Oh, all right, this is going pretty good. I'm putting dots all over my face. Yes, this is good. So for the highlight and everything, I'm gonna be using the NYX Epic Wear little eyeliner, and this one, it's gonna be hard to remove. We're gonna do small dots. So I'm gonna put some highlight right here. You know, why not? And then we will put it right where down the nose, on the cheeks, everywhere where we have normally some highlight. And this will be like really tiny little dots, just to highlight and bring everything else together. I think it's gonna look cute. Now we have to do the lips. I'm gonna take the same pencil that we took earlier, and I'm just gonna overline my lips. Because it's yellow, it's kind of like my base, so even though I go around everywhere, you won't really see it. Lips are prepared, and I'm gonna go into that beautiful purple color, which is Forever. And we're gonna put this on the lips to make something a little bit different compared to red. Oh my god, at the moment it's so ugly. Okay. Purple, and oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, we have to do the overline, of course. I'm gonna try the Rare Beauty. It might not work, but we will try. Maybe with a liquid lipstick it would have went better, but oh no, I messed up everything. I really hate this eyeliner. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the one size, because please. And then now we add a little bit more things to what's happening there. And I'm going to be using the MAC one, just because I don't want to have too much of the one size, like, because I use it for my eyes. You know what I mean? I'm going to clean the thing, but we're going to use this one. So I'm just gonna be doing lines. Okay, it doesn't really want to do anything. So I'm gonna go back to the white eyeliner and I'm just gonna do like one stripe and things like this. So it looks just really nice and that there's some shiny tiny tiny going on. I should have put something else, but I really wanted this color. So, and then we put that over here. Oh God. I feel like I don't have anything here, so I'm gonna put my contour color on my forehead because I feel like it's really bare right now and I don't want it to be bare. Less bare now. Less bare. What do you guys think of this? Oh my God. You see you have a couple liquid lipstick, you just dip it around. Liner. You don't really need anything too fancy or too expensive to create that pop art like look. I feel like it's so crazy. I can't wait till my boyfriend sees this when he arrives. But yeah, this is the makeup look that we are doing today. I feel like it's very much for Halloween. I think it's fun pop art moments. So if ever you have anything to say, tell me down below. Also make sure to like the video and to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel to see more content like this if you want. And also thank you so much for watching. I really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.